Use all of the promises to determine a valid conclusion for the given argument. First premise is not P or Q. So we have this junction statement. This is equivalent to conditional statement P implies Q. Let me write this. We have not P or Q. This is equivalent to P implies Q. So we can rewrite first promise and we will have now P implies Q, and second we can copy Q implies not R, and we have S implies R, S or H. So now we have here law of syllogism. We have P implies Q and Q implies not R. So for the first and second promise we can use law of syllogism. And now we will have for the first and second promises, we will have that P implies not R, and third and fourth promise we have to copy. We have S implies R, and we have S or H. So now we can use contrapositive and rewrite that. Let's put this here. S we have implies R. So this is equivalent to not R implies not S. So we will have to copy first premise. We have P implies not R. And the second we will substitute that equivalent form not R implies not S. And the third promise we will copy S or H. So now we can use again law of syllogism. We have P implies not R implies not S. So these two promises we will substitute by P implies not S from law of syllogism. Again, and the third we have to copy S or H. So now we know that we can rewrite this junction to equivalent form to conditional form. So let me remind you this formula. When we have that A implies B, this is equivalent to not A or B. In our example, we have that S is not A and B is H. So we will have to change this to conditional statement, and we will have that S or H is equivalent to not S implies H. I just used this formula. So now we can rewrite our second premise. First we will copy P implies not S, and the second is equivalent to not S implies H. So we see that we have here again law of syllogism. This is equal to P implies H. P implies not S implies H, so P implies H. This is our valid conclusion. this is my solution.